And chef is always something very creative in their mind to create their yummy food. Okay guys, let's do mukbang this one. Ah, that's so good. The spinach is really good iron for you guys, so yeah, make sure you get some spinach in your food. A lot of spinach. Yummy. Yeah, make sure you try this, guys. It's really chef making it, and it's really good at creating the food. Yeah, very reliable chef for everything that he create, and it tastes so good. Trust me, guys. Actually, we don't put salt or anything on this because these toppings, the chicken mince plant-based, being nice and tasty already. It's not very salty, which is really nice. So no need to add some salt on this or black pepper. Very mild food. Yeah, try you guys. Or else if you don't have this, you can make tokwa or tofu. You make it like this, but I guess you have to marinate the tokwa or tofu. But for now, I guess we're gonna try that one day. Anything toppings on this mountain bread is nice. This bread is very low in carbo, very low in carbo. This bread too. I think it's another vegetarian bread too. So very less in carbohydrates. Alright guys, let me know or let us know. Alright guys, let us know what you comment down below on this food. You try this, wherever you are in the world. Just make any toppings you like, or if you try this one day, you are somewhere here in Western world or Australia, let us know what you comment down below. Actually, you can put any kind of cheese too. We use the bio cheese on this. Really nice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you are new to our channel and comment down below and let us know where you are watching right now, so I can shout outs. We will shout out to everyone. Thanks to their chef that making this really yummy creation of food today. Thank you, babe. Will help but to keep eating it. So I have to finish this when the video is finished. So I have to continue eating. Thank you everybody. I hope you like this new creation of chef that I made today. Very simple. So easy to make. You don't need a lot of things. It's just straightforward. Try you guys. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Thank you everybody for watching. And I hope to see you next time. Comment down below which country you are watching right now. Please do subscribe if you want to see more of the video. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Ciao. That's the make it. Thank you so much for watching in Sweden, and I hope to see you next time. Bye. Bye.